Okay, if I will show you this gold chart, for example. Okay, now we have bullish candles. Okay, for example, let's take an example of this green candle. Okay, so if you have, for example, you know now the concept. Okay, what is the best or when is the best time to enter this trade? If this candle is going up, okay, when is the best time to maximize our profits here? Can anyone answer me this question? Where you will enter to get the maximum profit from this green candle? Anyone? From the bottom. Very good, Joben. You will enter here, right? You want to enter here, here, at least in this week. Okay, the green candle, okay, as you all know, okay, the body of the candle, it opens here. If it's a green candle, it will open here and, it will have some drawdown, okay, but eventually it will go back to its open position, yes, open price where it opened, and then at the end of the day, it will go up, up, up until it reach this point. So you want to enter here, right? This is the candle range theory, my friend. How nice. If you know how to trade inside this wick. Okay, market opens at 6 o'clock. It will open here, right? There. And then it went down. Okay, it was red. Just imagine it was a red candle going down there. But something, yes, my friend, Mr. Nathaniel, I will show you why this is happening. Okay, why this candle? Okay, it was red going there, but it went to this open price and then it went there. Okay, eventually, I don't know what time is this. It happened here, maybe the New York session. It was a big green candle, but after New York, maybe 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, it started to go down, and by 5 o'clock, it went there. Okay, that's the concept. We want to enter in these areas here in these weeks. We want this maximum profit, right? So this is my point. Okay, so hopefully we will understand why we cannot enter here because you are not zooming in, okay, to the lower time frame as much as possible. Maybe you are okay. It opened at 6 o'clock. Okay, by six, maybe this is 6 to 7. Something happened here. I don't know. It could be by end of Asia. Okay, as you know, Asia is very sluggish. Okay, price action is just very slow here. I don't know. It could take like until end. Depends. My point here is we want to catch these clues. Okay, these candlesticks are giving in the lower time frame where we can enter. Now, having said that, okay, it went back to the open price. Okay, yes, otherwise it will not be a green candle anymore. So then it went slowly, slowly, slowly until the end of the day, by night time, by New York session, it reached here and then, some drawdown there and closes there. Okay, majority of the candles are like that, you see. There's always a week on top, before the market closes, leaving that. Okay. Okay. They're not all equal, but you get the idea. Okay. We want to enter here from the bottom there. If it's a good, if the bias is bullish, we want to enter here. Okay. Now enough talking. I have to explain to you now the slides here. Okay. Now, okay. Candlestick is body plus the wicks. Okay. Of course, a candlestick will have highs in its lows, and eventually it will produce these wicks, right? So the range is the difference between the highest and the lowest. I hope you understand this. The difference is between the highest and the lowest. Okay? Now, large ranges means strong market moves. Just like this. Just like this. This is got now the range from the lowest to the highest. This will be your range. Okay? So this is now giving like a really bullish sentiment, strong bullish sentiment to the upside, right? How many pips is this? I don't know if you will measure this. Okay, it opened here. Never mind that wick. It opened here. This is the body to that highest point there. How much is that, my friend? How many pips is this? Can anyone tell me how many pips? No, go ahead. Use your calculator there in your computer, in your phone. We want to know how many pips is this? 467. Why 467? Because 3,396, okay, from the highest, minus 3,349, right from the lowest. Okay? Yes. 400, okay, 70 pips. Very good. You know how much is this? If you have a very good position size, you will have a good profit here, my friend. So, my point here, my friend, is okay. Gone are the days where we are just guessing when to enter the trade, right? Because we are all busy. I know in our life we are all busy. Sometimes, uh, you will be sit in the chart, open your phone or your computer, and then you will analyze the things. But this is trading, my friend. Okay. Otherwise, you are seeing all this lifestyle of traders, where they have the financial freedom, but it takes a lot of work. Okay, they don't have this magic wand where they will just get the pips they want or the profits they want for that day. They have the skill set. That's what makes them profitable. Okay, so I have high respect for traders who achieve that goal in their life, in their trading journey. Because for me, for me, it's not easy. Okay, so if you want that, if you want that goal, you just have to give your all every time, every day. Okay, so I hope there's some motivation there for you. Small ranges, okay, it's indecision or consolidation. Just like this, okay, like this, like this one. You see, this candle doesn't know where, no, don't know where to go. Go down, go up, and it closes there. Finish. End of the day. So this is my point. Okay, the smaller the body, okay, it means the buyers and the sellers have agreed to this price by the end of the day. That's it. No one wants to sell more. No one wants to buy more, and the candle closes like this. Okay, but for this example, yes, it's a doji, correct? But for this example, okay, some bullish bar, okay, or a bearish bar. Means more sellers are in this market and more buyers are in this market. Okay, I hope that's easy to understand, my friends. Huh? Now, moving on. Identifying ranges. Okay, let's read this. Range of candlestick refers. Okay, now we're ranges. Now, range of candle refers to the distance it's high and low. Okay, from the high to the low. Okay, that's the range. That's what I'm talking about, the body. Now, from smaller time frames to higher time frame, the rule remains the same for identifying the range of a candlestick. Okay, each candlestick presents four key points. Open, it opened there. High, okay, it went there, made that wick, making that high there, and then low. Okay, low up to the lowest of that wick and closing there. That's for the bearish example. So the distance between open and close, the distance is the body of the candle, right? Wicks or the shadows represents market dynamics. Okay, it means something. Okay, managed to uh, suppress this bullish. It was a bull. It went green at some point. Okay, it went green, but something suppressed this buying pressure, and sell pressure has overcome this and finally pushed the market down. Okay, there should be proper accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. What is this, my friend? We've discussed this last time. What was our last webinar? If anyone can remember, or if anyone was present the last week. Anyone? Hmm. No one was. It means no one was present last week, huh? ICT or POT. Very good, Mr. Nani. Yes, you are here. Oh, hello, Mr. Charles. Welcome to our webinar for tonight, sir. Okay. Yes. Power of three, my friends. PO3. Power of three. That was our webinar last week. Accumulation, Asia. Okay, it's just going in the range. High equal low. Accumulation, manipulation, London. Okay, manipulated the high. It broke the Asia's high there, manipulated that, and then went to the downside. And from New York, okay, it distributed this leg. More pressure here. That's the power of three, okay? And in this example, okay, yes, maybe it was going sideways here. It was, but manipulation London. It went there, huh? It became a green candle at some point, okay? And then finally, there, distribution until the end, until it closes there. That's why there's, you see this, okay, there's a gap there, okay? That's the wick, okay? This is the low, that's the wick. It went up there and then finally pushes the candle a little bit more there to close there. That's the PO3, my friends. Okay. Now you've understood this. I hope it's easy. If otherwise, if there's any question, please do so. Raise your questions anytime you want. Don't worry. Now, now you know how this daily candle is forming by just looking at this diagram. Okay. We will now go to these implications. Okay. As you can see here, okay, wide candles may indicate breakout continuation. What does that mean? What does that mean, my friends? While the narrow candles often signal potential reversals. What does that mean? Okay, can you hear me now, my friends? Sorry, there's issue with the Zoom now. I know it's cutting my audio and my screen here, my screen share here. I hope it will not happen again. Okay. So, what does this mean? Narrow candles often signal potential reversal. This is the narrow, right? This is a narrow candle. And it seems it didn't close above this high, this body candle high. Okay, it didn't close above this. It closes below this. It means potential reversal, and it reversed. It went down, right? Haven't you noticed this? It's trying to go up, but it closed there, below, inside this range, inside this body candle, inside this body, this green candle. It closed inside this, right? That's the okay potential reversals. And it reversed there. Man, that's it, my friend. Okay, traders use ranges to predict market sentiment, which is true now. Now you know this secret sauce. It's like this. Why it cannot go there? So you will predict now. Now this is now going down. It is now in a bearish market, and something here, some change of character is now happening inside this. This could be in a 4 hour, in a 1 hour, okay. But you know, uh, every time frame is what you call that? Oh, I forgot the word now. Fractal. Okay, something happened here and made a change of character, and then it went down, 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 like just like this. Did it body kind of close below this low here? No, it is just it stays there, and it closed inside this. You see, it went up there, it closes there, and now it's giving this reversal now to the upside. That is the CRT. Okay, now you getting some clear understanding of this candle range theory. Let's go to the next slide. There. Practical application. Use candle ranges to confirm entry signals. Huh? To confirm. This is the key here. To confirm entry signals. Avoid trading during low range choppy candles. Which you will see, some doji there. No, we need some more confluence. I want to see some more to really give me the signal to enter. So avoid this, okay? Combine range analysis with support and resistance, which you already know what is support and resistance, okay? You will just highlight this with a rectangle bar, okay? Across your chart. When it's hitting this support, it will bounce. When it's hitting this resistance, it will sell. That's the only idea about it. Okay, so combine this. There could be now. This could be now the resistance. You see, it cannot go up there, and it both candles. Okay, body candle close below that high. It cannot go up now. Now it needs wants to go down. And with this, okay, this could be a daily, okay, daily time frame, and this is now the price action happening in the lower time frame. It could be in the 5 minute, okay, 15 minute, doesn't matter. There, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then it made a change of character, giving the lower low, higher low, and finally, when it made the pullback there, there's some order block there where you can enter. Because it made a change of character already. This is just the pullback. It doesn't want to go out. It respected the high there. It didn't close above this high. Otherwise, this is another story. It is now going to reverse. But there's an order block there or an FVG, and you can enter from there, my friends. Stop loss above that high and capitalize on the way down, just like in this example. This is the low. This is the high of that range. This is the range. Okay? It went there. Okay? These wicks here are this. This price action here is the wick. Okay? Haven't you noticed that? This high is higher than this high. You see? This is the wick. That the high is the wick there. And when it went there, okay, not because it went for a change of character here. Okay, it went down there, made a change of character, and then that's it. I hope you already get the idea now. Otherwise, we will now go to the next example where you will clearly see this in action. Okay, tips and mistakes, which we are all guilty. For best entry setup, wait for the change of character, just like this. Change of character, downside, let's go. Pull back, where is my order block? Where's my point of interest? Enter there. On the lower time frame and target the previous day high, or this could be a low, PDL, and trail the stop loss to the profit target. Okay, once you are winning, okay, you move your stop loss there, you trail it. Okay, just give some breathing room, some space there. I don't know, 20 pips is enough. When you are profiting here, move your stop loss there. That's the meaning of trail. Okay, trail the stop loss to target profit. This is your low, the low. Okay, from the high to the low of that candle range, that is your target. That's it only, my friends. Avoid trading during unclear ranges. Okay, very easy to understand. Why you will trade when it's unclear. Always confirm with the trend direction. Just like this. Now you've confirmed this is now going to the downside. If it's a change of character here. Now there's a lower low, pull back. I want to go down. This is the trend now, going down. Okay, that's it. Tips and mistakes. So don't make the mistakes we were doing in the past. And lastly, some conclusion, okay? Candle range theory helps identify market momentum. Wide ranges, strong moves. Narrow ranges, potential reversals. Just like this I'm showing you. This very narrow candle, okay, reversal. Let's go down. Use with confluence for better accuracy. Okay. Now, before we go to the live example, about Algoter, Algoter is a quantitatively driven trading company focusing on market making and multi asset trading. Its expertise spans various asset classes, including futures, options, stocks, commodities, forex, which we all love, and cryptocurrencies. If some of you are trading crypto, then look no further. Algoter is a quantitative trading service company with over 10 years of experience in strategy development, focusing on proprietary trading. So let the numbers talk. You can all read all about this in Algotar website, where you can also share this with your friends and your family and read more about this amazing company. All right, my friends. Now, we also have some copy trading where you can copy or replicate the trades of expert traders in real time. Okay, when they buy or sell, your account does too. So start with only $100 and you can make some money on the side, even when we are all busy, just copy trade, okay? And let it run for the day. And then when you finish your work, time to go home, check your phone, and you've made some money there. Okay. Always contact our Algotra managers for this, and they will always assist you anytime. Okay. We also have some insurance program here where you can where you end at a net loss. Okay, Algoter will reimburse qualifying losses. Keep 100% of any profits you make. Originally, this was $1,500 to subscribe, but now for only 500 minimum, you can now benefit from this. Okay, there's a sweet spot here. Okay, with the $6,000, where a return of investment of 26.79%, and a lot more. Okay, some dailies, 2 to 5 signals, and much more. 24 trade support, and always contact our Algorithm managers for the same, where they can explain each and every one of this in this table. Okay, my friends. Lastly, Zoe. Zoe is a global financial technology company under the Zoe Group, headquartered in the United Kingdom, with operational centers in Hong Kong and the United States. Specializing in CFD trading, Zoe offers a diverse range of financial products, including forex, precious metals, oil, indices, and US shares. Zoe is fully regulated, offering a secure professional trading experience with competitive fees, fast execution powered by TradingView, and powerful tools to grow your investments confidently. Available on Google Play and App Store. You can install this in your mobile devices, including tablets, and make some money on the side and trade on the go anywhere you want. Okay, my friends, I hope you already have Zoe in your phones and you can trade this uh, anytime. Okay, lastly, our 50% deposit bonus. You will get 50 if you deposit 100, 250 or 500, and an amazing $500 extra if you deposit $1,000. Okay, where you will get the $500 extra? You tell me. You will never find this in any broker. So contact our Algoter managers to avail this, or spread this to your friends, your family who are interested, and they can benefit from this giveaway. All right, my friends, I hope you will reconsider. Okay, now we've reached the end of the slide. We will now go to the chart. Okay, we are in gold. Okay, typical price action there. In the daily, okay, we are in a daily time frame. Just to get the hang of this, okay? Get the trend line there or the line, whatever. Highlight the highs. We want to highlight the high and the low of that daily candle. Okay. Now, clearly, this is a big bullish candle there is giving you the bullish sentiment, right? Price should now go to the moon. Okay. Just by looking at this. Okay. Quickly. glancing on your chart. No, a big bullish candle. Now this will fly. Now I want to enter, but when exactly? Okay, because it closed above the high there. Okay, it closed above the high there. Now another candle should form here, and then I don't know, make some drawdown. Okay, but during that drawdown to the downside, it will be a red candle. I want to enter there, just like this. What I've explained to you earlier before we went through the slide, right? We want to know when exactly is there. Okay. Once you have that high and low, okay, marked out there, which time frame you want to enter? If I will ask you this question, which time frame you must enter? Anyone? What is the best time frame to use? 15 minute? Yeah, for day trading, yes, but you know, 15 minute is can give you like a 30 pip candle. 30 pips, 50 pip candle. You are missing out a lot of pips there. We should go lower, huh? We should go lower. Okay, Joben answered 1 minute. Yes, that is the maximum you can go. Okay. Yes, maybe there's some there's some option there like 1 second, but who's trading the 1 second time frame? Did you know there is a 1 second time frame for trading? You, if you are a subscriber, you can you can have this. You can have like 10 second, something like that. But there is a 1 second time frame. But we will not go. We were not that crazy. We will just go to the 5 minute or the 1 minute, whichever is best for you to analyze the chart. Yes, correct, Mr. Charles. TradingView has seconds. 1 second chart, my God, you're going to be crazy there. Anyway, now we will go to the lower time frame. We will not use the 4 hour, my friend. This is nothing. We need the sniper entry. Okay, at least 5 minutes. Okay. Now I've marked the high and the low of the oh, sorry, my friends. My Zoom is, I don't know, there's some problem with the internet, huh? I don't know. I don't like that. Okay, I hope you can see the screen back, huh? Okay, is everything fine with you? Okay, okay, my friends. Now, I've marked the high and the low of that daily candle, right? So these are the lines, okay? The high and the low. Okay, Asia, London, New York means this is Monday. But where exactly is the market open on that Monday? It's 6 o'clock. You move this low to that 6 o'clock position. 4:50, 6 o'clock. This candle. Okay. 6 o'clock. This candle. Okay. So there. 6 o'clock. It went down. Right. So this is now the wick of that daily. From that point, it's at 6 o'clock. It made this wick going there and then to the upside until it closes in the New York here. There at 4:55 it closes there, but this is the highest it went on Monday at 2240. That's what 1040, right? It went there and 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 4, 5. That's it. Now we mark the high. At least that's the high. Yeah? Okay. That's how you should mark this. So now you will have the idea, this was the wick of that daily candle. It opened there at 6 o'clock, make this wick. I want to see the daily. Now I will go to daily, back and forth. Not a good idea. Now we have something else, my friend. We have this indicator. Open this. There it is, my friend. The PO3. What is this? PO3. Power of 3. Okay, let's go. Indicators. P0, not O, P03. Why it's not coming? It's not coming. Or should I put power of 3? Ah, yes, HTF. Okay, sorry, my bad. Write this down, my friend, if you want this indicator. I don't know if you already know this indicator. HTF power of 3 by Todd Grease. I don't know how you read this. 2 degrees, 2 degrees, 2 degrees. I think it's 2 degrees, yes. But he's very smart, huh? 2 degrees. Okay, now you have that. This is now your indicator. Now you can see this in action every day in any time frame. 15:30, 15, 30, okay, 30. It will be there for you. Okay, it will not leave you. It's yours. Okay, it went there. It didn't make this wick. But it went back to the opening price where it opened in the market open at 6 o'clock. It opened, it went back there. At this point in Asia, 8 o'clock, 8:10, it went back to the opening price. Right? There, my friend. But something happened here. Something happened here. This is the last higher low. Or is it? Let's go to the line chart. Okay, it made this low. It made this low, which lower than this. So this was the last higher low. Okay. And then this low is higher than this low. It means it never made a new low. So this is now the last higher low. It broke there. And what is this? Can you tell me? What does this mean? What does this mean, my friend? Anyone? If we go to candles, there it is. It made the what? Change of character. Very good, Mr. Charles and Jobin. Change of character, my friends. Now this is in the reversal. It will reverse now the trend. Now it's going to the upside. You see, after bypassing this open price here, where it opened there at 6 o'clock, it went there. It's now becoming. It was red. Huh? It was a red candle, and then made a change of character. Now the more confluence you have now. Made the pullback there to the point of interest. Why it made a, I told you, after the change of character, a pullback. A pullback to the where? This is, my friend. There's a fair value gap there. You see? This gap, this wick. Can you see this red candle? There's a wick there. It's not touching this wick. Okay? Yes, there is no wick, but you get the idea. There's a gap. There's an imbalance there. Price wants to go back to these FVGs and fly to the moon. So where is your entry now? This long big bullish candle is the engulfing. This is where you will enter. There is stop loss just below that fair value or the swing low below this wick to protect you. But you see, it never went to your drawdown, to your stop loss area. It went to the moon, and then finally in the London session went there. New York went there. More overlap here. Okay, London and New York overlap. More pressure there. More buyers, more traders, until it pushed there to the upside. That's it, my friend. Okay. If you will look to your left, where you will target this take profit? This high. Okay, you already bypass New York's high, Asia's high. To that day's Asia's high, you already bypassed that. You targeted this. Okay, who knows what we can see here? Okay, but during this time, gold is in a bullish, very strong bullish sentiment. It's breaking all records. It's now broken 3,400 there that time. Okay, so that's trading is all about. Okay, you already target this high here, and you already made what? 1:13. Your risk to reward ratio 1:13. My God, that is too much, my friend. And how many pips is this? 200. Is this correct? 251. 251 pips, my friend. Okay, that's the idea of the CRT. Okay, we will enter. Okay, you entered there. We see at the beginning. Okay, the likelihood of finding the change of character in this weak area, okay, is also possible. But in this example, it's above the entry, the opening price there at 6 o'clock, right? It's above this, the change of character happened there. But there's also some. Now we will go to this example, okay? Now we've already marked that. Okay. Now we want to go to the, what is this? Monday. Now Tuesday. We want to see Tuesday's candle. What will happen in the Tuesday's price action? Okay. Let's play this now. You see, in real time, it will show you what's happening in the daily candle. This is the daily. Now it's in the red. Okay, it's black, but it means it's red candle. Okay, it's red. It's bearish. It's selling. Now you can see this in real time. You see, now if you want to buy, why you will buy when it's still still red selling, and there is no what change of character happening here. Okay, now we are in London. You see what happened, my friend? Accumulation. What is this London? Is it manipulated the Asia's high, Asia's low, right? Just like in this example, London is manipulating either the high or the low. But in this example, it manipulated Asia's low, and now it's doing the what? Doing the manipulation. Okay. So where is the last higher low here? Higher low. Yes, higher low. Because it's going down. So higher low, higher low, lower low. Where is the last higher low here? If you are finding difficulty what to do, you go to the line chart. Okay, now you spotted the last A level. Okay, there's a V. This is the V, the A. Okay, going to the upside, you need to break the A level. Okay, Malaysian SNR. This is the last A, right? There, because this A is lower than this A. This A is lower than this A. So this is the last. Okay, there's no A level anymore here. And then there it is. There's the change of character, my friend. It now wants to go to the upside. And look at this. It's inside this wick area. Okay, below the opening price. Somewhere there. Okay. Sorry. Now it should be here. But what I mean is the last reversal point where it's giving this wick here. Okay, so it's here. Now it's giving the change of character. Okay, let's mark this. You see, in time, this will now be the wick of the daily candle once it's because it you see it's open here, right? It opened somewhere. Where's the 6 o'clock? 6:10, 6. Okay, let's go back to the sorry. Let's go back to the candles. Where's the 6 o'clock candle here? There. There, because it opened here, right? This, you see, it's giving, you see, there's a line in this indicator. It will already have the line. So this is pointing to where it opened. The market opens here. But, for manually, you want to see, okay. Now you have that. Change it to, I don't know, whatever color you like. Green, okay, just to differentiate. I don't know, something nice. Red? Will this give us a red candle? Oh, sorry. This one. Okay, let's say green or red. Okay, now red is better. Now it's giving that. See, it's there. It opened at 6 o'clock. It went there. It was a green candle. And then suddenly it became the red candle in Asia. Okay, now because of this change of character, now it wants to go up. Right? In time when it reached this, this will be the whole wick of the daily candle. As you will see. Now it's made a change character. What? Now we want the pullback, right? Okay, there it is. There's the pullback. It's going there, but you see why it's going there. You should ask this. There's a. Is there a fair value gap? Yes. You see this week, and this week is not touching. There's the gap. There's the imbalance there. So it's weakening this. Now for your confirmation entry, what do you want? The bullish engulfing, right? So just wait for that bullish engulfing to appear here. Let's play this. Okay, is this a bullish engulfing? Well, engulfing what? This is also a green candle. So that is not the case. We need the bullish engulfing, engulfing that red candle. You see, it's still going down there. There's something unfinished business going on here. Now it taps back this point of interest. Okay, let's go. Now it made the highs, and now we can use the Fibonacci. Okay, from this low of London to the high of that swing high there. And what? Anything below 0.618 is the discount. This area here, my friend, is the discount. Huh? You can buy from this point on. Yes, you can buy. Go get your long position. You are in the discount. Okay, it closes there. I want to buy now here. Let's just say you want to buy. Okay. Now, for me, I want my bullish engulfing. Okay, let's play this now. Uh-huh. Okay. There is my bullish engulfing. Red, green, bullish engulfing. I will buy here. But you can also buy here. This is the discount. But you know, it so happened this bullish is coinciding inside this 0.5 and 0.6.8. You see, it's there also. 0.5 to 0, it's there in that golden zone. This is the golden zone, my friends. That is it. So, what you will target? Okay, let's remove this one. Target Asia's high. This is nothing, my friend. You need to target, okay, in the daily, this is the last previous day high. Now this next candle should go above this price. It should go up. This was the last previous day's high. Huh? This one. Sorry, not here. Here at 10:40, and then it closed here somewhere here 4:40, 6 o'clock. This was yesterday's New York session. It should target this easily, but this next candle should go above this. And now what you will do, my friend, we will go to that daily. Okay, we will go to the daily time frame. You see, we will target this. If you are Malaysian as an trader, this is the what? This is the resistance. This green, red resistance, right? You target this as your take profit. There. Now, to see this in action, you are now targeting this above this last night's New York session, above your Asia. Okay. You are in the golden zone. Everything is perfect. Stop loss. Let's remove this golden zone. It's getting in the way. This is your bullish engulfing, where you will put your stop loss. 50 pips. 87 to what? 83, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82. 3382. Somewhere there. Even below London, if you want to be safe. Now you are really protected now, my friend. With your Fibonacci, with your change of character, with your golden zone, what more else do you need, my friend? Now, we will watch this play out. Asia's hit. Yeah, yesterday's New York session has hit. And that swing high there. There it is, my friend. That's now your daily candle. And welcome to the CRT strategy. All right, my friends, very nice, huh? How nice. Now you can enter exactly on the wick there to capitalize all the way up there. Very nice. So is there any question? Please do so now so we can wrap up this webinar. Otherwise, you can all watch this in the YouTube, Algoter's YouTube channel to master this strategy, my friends. Now you can enter and smash all that pips every day now, okay? So with that said, my friends, thank you all for joining for today's webinar. I hope you already understood every detail, what I've shown you. All the secret sauce is now with you, and I'm really running out of secret sauce to teach you. But this is my passion to teach in every one of you here, sharing all my knowledge throughout my years of trading. So take it, my friend, and smash those profits, okay? So until we meet again and see you next time, good night and bye-bye.